In this video, we're gonna dive into how to change region on Netflix. So as you all know, Netflix does not show all of its shows or movies to all of the countries. Depending upon the country, it shows different kinds of videos. By changing your location on Netflix, you can watch a particular movie or a TV show that is not available on your region. So for that, you cannot do it within the app of Netflix. You will need to download a VPN for it. Whether using your mobile devices or your desktops, you can download any VPN that you want. But for this video, we're gonna use Proton VPN. This is a free and very good VPN in my opinion, so you can use whichever VPN that you want, whether it be paid or free VPNs. It really doesn't matter. Free VPN does not have the flexibility as much as the paid one does. So you just select the VPN of your choice. Proton VPN has just 3 connections, which is Japan, Netherlands and the United States. So for this, we're gonna just use the United States and connect to a server in United States. Once the connection has been secured, you can head back and then open up Netflix. And now you can search for any TV shows or movies that were previously not available on your region. You can just tap on the search bar on the top and you can just search for it. Because I've connected to United States, it's also showing me the top results of United States. So if you had connected to a different country, it will show you the top searches of that particular country. So yeah, that's basically about it. That's how you change the region or location on your Netflix account. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to let us know by giving this video a thumbs up. I'll be seeing you guys in the next one. Thanks for watching.